Oxford. It is full of magic, markets, and wait for it, dinosaurs. Well, today we are taking you to 3 must-see Oxford spots that mixes fantasy, food, and fossils. Let's go.
Sushi bowl.
Sushi what?
Bowl, homemade fresh.
Quirky little places.
Yeah.
Sushi bowl. This is you all over.
Oh my god, I want one.
Yeah. Looks like we may have found dinner then. So we managed to find this little pizza place. Oh, they said it'd be about a 15-minute wait. This gentleman's just got here. Oh, I think I'm after him anyway. How's your wasabi? Yeah. Oh, here we have it. The pizza. Oh, pepperoni pizza. Let's enjoy it.
People just reviewing them. I love this one.
What's that?
UK, US,
piece. Well, pizza was solid. So that's the covered market. It's really quite big actually. You can get lost in there, so it's recommended to go there. You've got an endless amount of things that you can see and do. Obviously just showed you a small area of it. Showed you the map as well, so it gives you an idea of how big it is as well. We are off to our next destination, which is famous because it is where Harry Potter once again was filmed. And you can see why. I mean, just the streets in themselves. Fun fact, the dome on top of here is, I think it's the 3rd largest in the UK. Wow, look at that. Wow. So this is where Harry Potter was filmed and confirmed. Unfortunately, tickets are sold out. So you have the Divinity School and you have the library, which is in here. The library is actually upstairs, which is up there. I'm gutted that we can't go and see it, but it is. Goes to show you, I have to book in advance, I'm afraid, to be able to get access.
So if you're looking to see the libraries while you're there, then it's highly recommended to book in advance. As you can see, the next availability for us on that day was 3 weeks from then.
It's quite stunning, isn't it, really? So over here you'll find what is known as the Hertford Bridge. It's purely based on its arch. It looks very similar to the same bridge that's in Venice, and it's called Hertford. Its popular name is known as the Bridge of Sights. So there you go, if you're looking for really fun things to do around here, you've got obviously, your first one, which is what we've shown. The second one is definitely book in advance, and you can actually go and have a full tour of the actual library itself that was used in the films. Parts of where they filmed some of the school as well. It's all in there, all in this location for you. So on 3rd on our bucket list of things to do, if you're here in Oxford, is to visit the Free Museum. There is a museum with a history of science.
Is it free?
It is free, yes. But we just want to show you how pretty Oxford, just natural streets really are. I mean, look at these, look. The Thai Brit home. You can do open bus tours.
Yeah, we did think of that, didn't
We
we?
did think about doing an open bus tour. They'll take you around all the sites. But in all honesty, I think you'd need at least a whole day here, if not a couple of days. But you'd have to be prepared to be able to pay. Hotels in and around this area, anywhere between
Over £100.
over £100 easy. I think the cheapest for inside is probably about £80. And then some of them are averaging up to about £400 mark. So that's sort of what you're expecting to pay.
However, just on the outskirts of Oxford, there are plenty of hotels to stay in, including a Travelodge, which came in at the cheapest of £30 for the night.
This is the museum, the Natural History Museum. Well, all sorts of history. Most importantly, it's free. Wow. Oh my God, May.
Please touch. Touch.
Mind you, it's the first time I've ever seen that. Wow. It actually says please touch. Hello.
Wow.
Sperm whale jaw.
Wow. Please touch.
What you got? Please touch what? Left femur of the herbivorous dinosaur.
Wow.
Wow. Look at this fella.
He said, don't touch me, he said.
Remember when these used to rule the world?
Yeah.
Well, we don't remember, we weren't alive, but I think everybody's come for the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
So, just in case you're wondering, all the fossils behind the glass and even some hanging from the ceilings are genuine fossils.
So you can donate £5 in here. As you walk in, it tells you can do if you want to. What a great place, huh? Please touch carefully. This is a fossil tree trunk. So through fossilisation, this trunk has been replaced by silica, turning it to stone. Oh yeah. Wow. And for what everybody has come to see, the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
70 to 66 million years old. Does that look like the movie the night at the museum?
Yeah.
It look like this, you know? Oh, don't tell me they're filming here.
No. 100 and what?
And we're taking millions years old. Wow, look, my dinner.
Huh?
My favorite food.
Your favourite? Oh. Oh yeah. Crab. It's not a crab, it's a Japanese spider crab. Do you know what?
Glass
Yeah.
top.
How many of you Thai people out there would eat this? Talk to them, tell them. Who would eat this?
Me. I definitely eat this.
Just thinking of papaya salad now, with one of them.
Oh God. That look yum.
It doesn't look yum. So how does it look yum?
Because I like seafood. She flirted.
He's flirting.
Yeah.
He can't keep his eyes off, look. So what some people might not realise is that this is all free, but there's also a back door. Inside this back door is also free. Goes on and on and on. It's quite huge. Size of that. Look at that. What have you found?
The Buddha.
Buddha?
From Thailand.
Oh, is it actually from Thailand?
They said they're from southern Thailand. I like to own one.
Oh, you imagine how much that costs.
I used to learn this when I'm at school, age of 10. No, I learned this, some similar thing like this. There.
It's just a Thai guitar.
Yeah, for Thai, from Thailand, like traditional, like the old one.
Yeah.
And my young sister learned something like this. Now she's pretty good, my young sister.
Until now. Sort of tell you, look, I mean English, you've got Thailand there. There you go. Thailand and Thailand there.
Yeah, that's what I learned. Probably something like this. It's called saw.
It's a three-stringed spiked fiddle.
Yeah.
Which is that there.
Yeah.
The cream one.
Yeah. Saw ooh กับ saw ด้วง
So what?
saw ooh.
So ooh.
saw ด้วง
So duang.
ด้วง
Duang.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right, isn't it?
So basically, the ones that are behind glass, I mean, they're definitely real. The main Tyrannosaurus Rex isn't. But there is a way that you can actually tell, and that is basically by looking at its bone. And if it's a very, very dark brown, they would naturally normally be real. So there you have it. So that's the three things that you can do here in Oxford.
You can park up your car and you get a bus to the town for £4.
Which, in hindsight, would save you £12 for 2 hours, because most of these places are about £6 an hour to park, which is insane. So
But then, if you're going to be here, you need longer than 2 hours, that's for sure.
You do need longer than 2 hours, yeah. We booked for 3 and it still isn't enough, so
Yeah.
you want to be here longer than 2 hours, yeah, then do
Park
what
and
she
ride.
says, yeah. Park and ride,
£4.
£4, there you
Yeah,
go.
that's it.
So, thank you for watching. Once again, like, subscribe.
And share.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, look at that. Nice island, right?